Alright guys, we're out here with the JME for the first flight. We just want to take it up for a little bit, get a little video to see what the video looks like. I don't know how good this pad is for this thing, because this thing sits really low. But, yeah, we'll see. Let's just take off and see what happens. Well, I don't have that much power. I was flying it around in the house a little bit.
Return point has been updated. Taking off.
Okay, let's start a little video. Check the map. Let's check the optical flow out, see what that does. The map, maybe I have to preload the maps before I leave the house. So I don't know, because it's not showing anything on the map. There's the punch out speed, very slow. It has a lot of pitch to it though, I can tell you that. The forward and reverse pitch on it's pretty steep. Let's take it a couple spins around the park here. Yeah, pretty cool. Oh yeah. It'll take off fast as long as you don't have the forward stick pushed. If you're doing that, then it don't go up fast. But if you just push up on the stick, it'll go up there real quick. So I'll just get a little pan around the park real quick. Okay, let's see the descent speed. That's not bad. Okay, let's see if I got enough battery left here to do some of this smart flight stuff. Let's see, surrounding. Let's try that. I got to go out here a little bit because I don't know what it uses for a radius.
Enter surrounding.
Okay.
Enter surrounding. Surrounding.
Okay, well, it's working. Okay, actually it does that better.
Exit surrounding.
Okay, it actually did that better than that that Keymon. That Keymon, the quad wouldn't stay on you as good as this one does. This one stays on you a lot better. I still got 59% of battery left, so I can fart around with it a little bit more. Okay, so what I see is you just got to do like the other ones, you know, you got to draw your finger around the thing you want to do it with. Okay. It's got like 15 satellites. I don't know what the distance is. It says that it's... Oh, I just saw a bird go by. I'm being attacked. There's another one. Oh, he's coming after me. Bastards. Oh yeah, they're buzzing it big time. 2 of them. They're still coming. Them little sneakos. I'm bringing it back. Okay. I still got 44% battery. And it wasn't a full battery, and I've already got 10 minutes in, so I'm sure this thing is probably going to at least do 18 minutes. That would be my guess. At least 18 minutes. So, I wish I could have just got a couple of them. I don't know what this visual leaving is, but the surrounding works, so that's cool. Yeah, flies good, man. I'm happy with it. Flies nice, it handles good. The only thing I don't like about it is whenever you stop, it does that, you know, that big, like it puts the brakes on and it tips up. That's the only complaint I have about that, so. Yeah, no, it's not bad. It's okay.
Landing.
Yeah, nice, man. Very nice. I like it. The motors are not even the slightest bit warm. That was nice for a first flight. I thought it did very well. Very well. I'm very happy with it. Like I said, the only thing I didn't like about it was, let me turn the power off. The only thing I didn't like about it is when it's flying, you know, it would go this way, and then when you would let off the stick, it would woo, like it was like you were slamming the brakes on it, you know, so it would roll back like that. So yeah, I didn't check the obstacle avoidance either, but somebody had mentioned to me that they think that it only works inside. So I'll have to check that out. Who knows, man? You know, who knows? We'll see. All right, guys. Excuse me. That was the first flight of the JME. I'm kind of happy with it. I think it did pretty well. I would have went out there a little bit further, but those birds were, you know, they were trying to attack, so I had to pull back on that. I wanted to go out at least to the edge of the park, which would have been about, I think it's like 600 feet or something to the edge of the park. So, all right, guys, have a nice day.